Hey y'all, welcome back to the garage. Thank you for stopping by and checking out what I got going on today. Uh, got a new project started. It's going to involve this here big old chunk of pipe. So y'all hang out and check out what I'm going to be doing with it. Hey y'all, welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to start a new project. I'm going to build a used oil burner. Been something I've been wanting to do for a couple, 2-3 years now. I've got a pretty good supply of used oil that I can get, and I've just been working out the details, I guess, of how I'm going to build it. I've watched a lot of videos, looked online, got a bunch of ideas from a bunch of different designs and stuff of how people have built them in the past. So I think I got down to what I want to do. This is going to be basically the burning area for the used oil burner here. It's a piece of 1/2-inch wall, 15-inch ID transmission line. It's a welded seam pipe. It's meant for high pressures. So, and I forget how long it is. Let's see how long it is. It's 3 foot long. So, yeah, this is going to be the basis of it. We're going to build a burn pot for the inside and the bottom, and then from about midway up, I'm going to put heat exchanger pipes through. So I need to start out by making a jig so I can lay my marks out on my pipe across, so I know where to cut the holes. I'm going to use a torch for that. I'm sure there's some mathematical plan or something of where you lay them out on the angle that it is. I ain't all about that. I'd rather just make a jig to lay it out. Use some soapstone. Then I'm going to use my torch, cut the holes out. What I'm going to use to make the jig is plastic PCV pipe. It's 1.5-inch pipe. It's 2-inch on the outside diameter. That matches the pipe that I got to make my heat exchanger out of. Again, the bottom 2 rows, like I said, I don't know how many rows we're going to have in yet until I start laying it out, but at least the bottom 2 rows are going to be 2-inch OD by 1/4-inch wall pipe. I want something down here at the bottom that will take the heat of the brunt of the heat of the burning of the oil. Then everything above that will be just like Schedule 40 or Schedule 80 black pipe, or I may even go ahead and go with exhaust pipe to get a little quicker heat exchange. But like I said, I wanted to use the heavier stuff down at the bottom to kind of make it a little better so that it won't burn out as fast. So lots of parts to go with this. Like I said, I got most of it, planned out up here. Nothing really on paper, so I'm gonna get to cutting and see what we got going. Alright y'all, after about an hour or so of sitting here and drawing stuff out and everything, I think I got my pattern down. Kind of give you guys an idea. This would be looking down into the burner from the top. There's going to be 2 rows of heat exchanger pipes going from side to side, so I can blow air through to kind of get the heat, because I don't want to just rely on the outside of the tube. I want to be the most efficient as I possibly can. So the first row will have 5. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then right above it there'll be a row of 4 going across. So what I did, the reason I did this is I'm going to cut some of this plastic pipe off, and when you drill through a pipe that's a circle, these holes will actually be like an oval. And to get that oval that I need, I'm going to make a jig up with this here, and then I'll take this on a bandsaw and cut it, and I can trace the outside of this flat up against the pipe standing up this way, and that'll give me my hole to put this through. And to get my true center line, I'll level the pipe up, you know, both ways, this way and this way, and then I'll drop a plumb line down, and I'll draw a straight line down both sides, and that way, like this one here is the center of this side here. I can use on this side, and then I can go around to the other side, and I'll have a center line on here, and that'll give me my center line on the other side, and then the steel pipe will go all the way through, you know, once I torch the holes in this. So hopefully this works. I've done this before whenever I've worked in graphics and stuff on other projects where we had to intersect we had a big pipe here, and we needed a small one going in this way to intersect it. We've done the same basic layout to do it, and then you can cut it on the bandsaw, and it'll be kind of rounded. You can hold that right up against it, draw your line, take your saw, cut it out, and this piece will fit perfectly inside there. Like I said, I know there's mathematical layouts and stuff, and if I had a CNC machine, it'd be no problem. I could plot it out, draw it out on paper, and just make a wrap, you know, and trace each individual circle. I don't have access to that stuff anymore, so we're going to go backwoods. This is my CNC, cardboard and crayons. So I'm going to get that done, get this jig made up, and we'll bring you all back. So hang on. Alright, y'all, here's the template I made. You can see this one here has 5 pipes on it, and that one there has 4. They're not gonna sit on the burner like this. They'll be stacked up. But yeah, this is what I come up with. PCV pipe. Got a bolt running through it. Hold it nice and solid. Took the bandsaw, curved them, and then finished them off with a flap disc on my grinder to make them fit just a little tighter. But we'll get over here to the pipe, and I'll show you how they look over there. Alright, y'all, you guys can see that. You know, I'll get a center line, plumb line, ran up and down, and then I'll do lines around. But that's how it goes. And I'll take my soapstone and draw around them, and then we'll torch them out, and the pipe should fit nice and snug. I mean, just like that. I mean, that's how it should go straight across. So, you know, I mean, it's not the tightest fit in the world, but you know, good enough for this hillbilly. So I'm a gap welder. We can weld it up. So alright, there you have it, y'all. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna end this video here. This will be end of part 1, getting everything set up and getting ready to start cutting. I don't want to make the videos too long, and I actually don't want to drag it out too long, so I'm going to try to balance it, you know, get everything, you know, going. So hope you guys enjoyed this one. Hope you stick around, hang around for the rest of the build. If you did like it, please, you know, give me the thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to get all the notifications. If you care to, stop in Sunday nights, 7 p.m. Every Sunday we do a live stream. We talk about everything. Bring up a topic, you know, we'll talk about it. So appreciate you all watching, and we'll catch you all on the next one. Thanks.